Hello friends, in this video we make this image slider carousel instance. When we click on these two button, image will be slide and little bit animation also, and also we make this automatically slide. Let's go on our VS Code editor. Now here I already added the images which are the required for this project, these three images. And let's say first of all I want to create a one file, index.html. Now here I want to HTML boilerplate. For that, pressing the shift and exclamatory mark and enter. All the boilerplate is generated. Now I want to here just change the title carousel. Now here just I want to create a one div giving the carousel container. Inside container I want to create a div and class carousel list of the all the items instance images, and inside carousel list I create a div class carousel item. Inside this item images I want to add image src. I want to image1. Close this. Now just copy this div tag carousel item and paste two time more. I want to add three images, and here image src change the name. I have 2 and here 3. Now let's open this with open live server. Right click on the VS Code editor, open with live server. Now see, these three images are here display. Now I want to design this with our formatting. For that I want to create a one file style.css, and here I want to give the all the tag border boxing, box sizing, border box, and also I want to give the body width is 100% and margin is auto or 0. Now I want to also add this style.css file in the HTML. Here just comment the CSS file, and here I give link rel style sheet. After that giving the file path style.css. Now here just copy the carousel container. I want to copy all the name, and then after a view design just copy this and paste in the here. And now I want to again carousel list item, and let's paste here again. And last our next I want to item here. Last one is our the images. For the images I want to use like that, giving the dot and carousel item. Inside item I want to images, give the item images width is 100%, also height is 100%, and here carousel item I want to give the height is approximately 400 pixel and width is 100%. Now let's see it. See, all the images are adjacent according to 100% width of this. Now I want to give all the images in one row. For that here carousel list, here I give the display flags. Now see, this image has collapsed. Now I want to only one image is full screen. For that here carousel item I change something here, give the minimum width is 100% and just delete this. No necessary this width. Now see, all the images are in the one row, but this is a top. Just give the some margin here carousel container, giving the margin top giving the margin top and bottom 50% 50 pixel and left and right 0 pixel 0. Now see, here gap is coming. Now also I want to add the two button here for the scrolling purpose, and here both side. For that, here come in the index.html, and after the here carousel list, where is this carousel list, very end, here create a div, class name carousel btn container, btn instance button. Now I want to create a button, give I want to left side this types of button, and right side this types of. Let's see it. See here this two button is coming, but don't want to this types of icon. Let's add the some other font icon, font awesome 6, and here give the search, I give the angle left side like this type copy. Let's copy this, or I was also remember this. And I want to also the content provider, I use this content provider cdnj. Also you can use here also, here search, I start here, click on the start, and after that email, and this give the some our ESR script file and add in the HTML file. But I don't want to like that, only I want to this project. For that I want to give the content provider and just copy this and come in the HTML file, here just comment and give the font awesome, here add it and press the shift alt and F for the formatting purpose. Now this one is okay, and here some missing, okay. And now I want to add the button, all this icon also. Here some gap is coming, that's why. Let's give here icon I, class name fa solid fa angle left, and here close this I tag, and inside the right side icon I class fa solid fa angle right side. Now let's see it, where is, see this icon is coming. Now I want to here center. For that just copy this carousel button container and come in the style.css file, here paste it, give the position absolute. Now let's see, okay, and also give the top side 0. Now see this is coming up, but I want to with related to this container. For that here carousel container, I give the position relative. Now see this button is with respect to this coming. Now I want to this one left side and right side. Now for that here I give the display flags, justify content space between. Now see here some space is coming, and I also not coming, why I forgot to give the width. Let's give the width is 100%. Now see these two bottom are separate, and also give the height also 100%. And now see these two bottom are vertically more height. For I want to only center. For that I give the alignment item center. Now see these two bottom are center. Now I want to design this two bottom. For that in the index.html, here I want to give the this two bottom class. Just give the class carousel btn. Now just copy this and come in the style.css file, here give the padding, top and bottom side 30 pixel, left and right 10 pixel. Now let's see some is coming. Now I want to this font also bigger. For that, giving the font size is approximately 30 pixel. Now let's see, this is coming. Now I want to also give in the border, and I don't want to this types of a, I give in the curve and remove this border. For that, giving the border none, and border radius is approximately 3 pixel. Now see, this is coming, and this all are here image, but I don't want to like that. I want to only when click on this button then also show. And let's come here, and I don't want to this types of a scrolling. I want to don't want. For that, here in the style.css file, here carousel list, here give the overflow hidden, only give the one image at a time. See, all the images are not so, and here scroll bar is also hide. Now I want to give, when we click on this two button, image will be changed. For that, I want to create a JavaScript file, script.js, and I want to also add this file in the HTML file. Go on this HTML, and in the body section, in the bottom of, give the script src script.js. Now see, this file is added. Now I want to, for checking purpose, give here, come here and give the alert hi. Now refresh the page. See, this alert is coming. I think this file is added. Now just remove it. Now I want to access this two button also, and this image whole things. For that, here come in the index.html, and I want to access this two button. First of all, I want to give the ID, giving the carousel left btn, and also here ID carousel left right btn, or also I give the here also for the reading purpose. Just and just copy this, come in the script file, here create a const and give and remove this hyphen btn el, and give the document dot get element by id. Now give here, paste the id name, same to same like I want to write one button. Just copy write one id here, come in the script file, again const, just remove this one, and here hyphen el, and document dot get element by id, and paste the id name. Now I want to also add access this image also, hold the image. For that, in the HTML file, here is a, I give the class name is carousel item for the whole images which contain the images. Just copy this and come in the JavaScript file, here const, and give carousel, I think not copy, just copy this one script, and here give the element document query selector all, and here paste this. Now this one is okay. Now I want to, when we click on these two button, this image will change, and I want to access this. Just copy this image and come here and add event listener. When we click, this image will be changed, and also this same one in the for the right one, just copy, paste, and just copy this one, change the name. For the checking, console dot log, this is a left but btn, and this is a console dot log, or give the alert, not console, I don't want to open alert, and here give the alert right btn. This done. Now let's check this button is accessed or not. Refresh, click on the this left button. Now see, left button, and when we click on the right button, I think this both button are working. Now I want to write the logic, all the logics. First of all, I want to create a, see, in the style.css here, cursor item, I give the transform translate x direction में I give, when I give the 0, the image is still here. When I give the this image -100, now see, this second image is coming. When I give the -200, this third image coming. I think I want to change the this number. For that, here in the script file, I want to first of all create a start with is 0, and also create a const, because I don't want to the change the int. For that int, I want to number of the images. Just create another variable number images, and here total number is 3. We will change later. For the, we don't want to change many times. For that, here, and just copy this number of the images, and here give the 100, give number of the images, multiply by the number of images, and -1, because every time 0, see, let's there are 3 images, is indexing start from the 0, 1, 2, not a 3. That's why we, here I have a 3, but we want to only less one. For that, come here and give the this bracket. Now I want to first of all here, now here first of all we want to give the start plus start equal to start plus 100, and in the right side just copy this one and give the 100 minus 100. Now I want to also increase this. For that, I want to just copy this one and come here, and giving the for each loop element element, and after that give the here element dot style dot transform. Here I give the in the style, for in the carousel item here transform, just copy this one, we will change it here, paste it, and after that give the here equal, and just give the tilde symbol, and just cut this, paste inside this template string, and here give the dollar and curly bracket. Where is dollar and curly bracket? Cut this one, paste here, remove this, and here I want to just copy start, paste here. Now let's see, and just also copy this and paste also here. Now let's see, and where is in the style.css, here we give the 0. Now see, when we click on this right button, this will be not done. Why? Maybe some problem. Let's check it, inspect. no problem. Where is, okay, maybe style.css, click function for each. Yeah, here I not giving the dot. Let's give the dot, because now let's see, maybe some problem. Okay, check it. Yeah, here I want to also give the percentage, and let's see. Now let's check it again, refresh and click. See, now this image changes, but this is not directly changes, not a slide. For animation we give the style.css here, and carousel item, here give the transition transform. 1 second. Now let's see, refresh the page and click. See this animation, but when we click on this image will be uh, continue going. For that we give the some condition. Here we use the if start is less than greater than minus end, and just cut this one, paste it here. This one is greater than 0, less than 0, because this is left one, and just cut this, paste here. Now let's check for this. When we give, and see, this left button is working. When we click on this will be not gone. Now for the right button, just copy this, or here if start is greater than minus int, and just cut this one inside the, paste inside the if loop. Now let's check again. Now see, click on this right button, this image will be slide. When we again we click, does not slide, because this is last image. And also when we click on this left button also, this image will be slide. Now I want to give this automatically. When we does not click anything, this image will also be slide. For that, here I create another function, auto render, and here we give the some condition. Just copy this and paste here. And now I want to separate this whole the function. For that, just first of all I want to separate this left one. Just cut here, and here give the function and paste it here. Give the name of the function is handle left btn, and remove this arrow. Just copy this function name and paste here. Also same to same for the right, just cut this here and give the handle right btn function, handle right btn, paste it. Now check this both are working or not. Yeah, now these both are working. Now I want to here give the auto. For that, copy this handle right one, copy this one and paste it here. And in the else statement I want to again give the start 0, and copy the left one function, paste in. After that I use the set time interval for the calling this function again and again. Give the auto render and give the timing of this. This is in the millisecond. For that, now let's check this, refresh, and just see this image is automatically slide every time. And here see, and I want to, this image is some broken here, maybe why. Let's check it. Here I does not call this function, only giving the reference. Let's give the parenthesis bracket. Now let's check again, refresh the page and see. Okay, now this is last image. Now again come one. Now this is completed. Now thank you for the watching. If this video is helpful for you, like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.